Hi everybody, it's another online haul, y'all. So my order came in from Erin Klossner, and let's see what we have. Not that it's empty. Okay. Y'all didn't see that. These are pre-cut decorative stencils. Oh yeah. This is what the picture is. And I got them from Mixed Media. And then I got a bunch of stamps, some flowers. I love doing these in my art journals. Anything whimsical, I just love them. So I got those. Kid stamps. Anything with kids on them. I love the kid stamps. And I love the whimsical lady stamps, so I got these from her. Erin, how'd you do this? Oh well, let's look here. Got two of the little kids. Oh, I love this one. Oh, I love that one too. I got the little angel. And the girls in the garden. I love them. And here I have checking my back. Hey, I could read the New York newspaper. Okay, let me take this down here to open it. Oh, she was doing a thrift store walkthrough, and I asked her to pick this up for me. The guys, on Wednesday she goes to the thrift store and she walks through, and for something there you want, you say, hey, go back and get that for me, and she picks it up, and she's got a markup on it, but it's okay. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? I saw this in her thrift store and I said, wow, I want that. That is so pretty. Love it, love it, love it. So this is what I picked up from Erin. And don't forget, guys, come to bingo tonight at 8. We got some great prizes. See you then. Bye-bye.